Today, we are going to catch some fish, but it's super hard.
Oh, you got it.
Are you ready to help Asher catch the fish?
Yeah!
But first, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
Woo! Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I miss anything. I miss everything.
Catch it. Put it up. Put it up. My guy is so hard. Oh.
No!
Let's try it again.
It's too hard, Daddy. It's super duper hard.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, it can look like sharks.
Let's go. Oh my God! There you go. Oh, you got it. You got it. Put it out. Yeah, we got the first one. Let's go. Easy. Put it up. Up. Put it down. Up. Put it up. Got it. Ah. No. You don't got it. All right, let's go. Put it up. Put it up. There you go. Oh, you gotta wait for it to close. Put it up. Yeah, you got that one.
I got red one.
Try it. Got it? Ah, no. Oh,
Oopsie.
try it. Up. There you go. Wait, you gotta wait for it to close
Oh,
when
wait.
you put it in. Oh, you got it. Oh,
Yeah! I got a yellow one.
yeah.
I need. The green one's too good. We're getting out. Ha ha!
Go. Up.
Got it!
Yeah.
I got 4.
Yeah, let's see. One more, 2 more.
2 green ones?
2 green ones to go.
Yeah. Oh, if it one.
Easy. Oh.
Wait, I'm not gonna turn it on the thing.
Go. Gotta put that. Oh.
Yeah!
Yeah!
We got another fish. I got 5. So.
You got 5.
One more.
One more.
One-
All right.
One more green one. One more green one. Last green one, Daddy.
Last one.
Yeah, we have to. Oh, you filled the green one.
Let's see. Oh.
Yeah!
Let's celebrate. Yeah! Whoa, that was super hard.
Let's do number 2.
You want to do round 2? Are you sure?
We can switch those.
Oh my God, put him back in then. That was so hard. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go fishing.
Get the fish. The fish.
Oh.
Whoa!
Yeah.
I got 1.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's try again, Daddy. Let the challenge begin again. Look at the fish again.
Put it up. Oh, easy.
Go!
Yes! All right, let's go.
2. So I want to. I got 1, 2. 1, 2.
Easy. Put it up. Put it up. Up. Yeah, try almost up.
Yeah! We got a green one!
Yeah, we got a green one. Let's charge it.
It's getting so crazy, like, it's getting so dizzy.
There you easy. Oh my God, you missed that one.
I mean,
Okay.
yeah! We got a green one!
We got a green one. All right, let's see. We get another one on this charge. Try it, easy. Try it. Go.
It's so...
Still more. Still a little charge.
There you go.
Oh. Easy, put it up.
Wait.
Ah!
I use it with my hands. I use it with my hands.
All right, one more, last one. Last one. Easy. No, don't take it with your hand. Go.
No, it's so hard.
Oh, you had it.
We have a chance to win.
Let's see. Let's go. Almost. You almost got it. Almost. Put it up. There. Got it.
Yeah!
Whoa, we finished. Yeah. How many fish we got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Yeah.
Subscribe to my channel. Bye. Want more fun videos? Subscribe to Asher's channel for lots of fun.